President Mahama our recommended gold board and so almost 45 billion worth of gold na a milestone akokwa me hu na mani age and akokwa dey no kra wona breaking the down my kese say the gold board and I think say President Mahama hu say the first term no edininya na krono bi ni dwiri mi amanfo ye wo sa sector no na so mo de agency bi ba e be say cocoa board no e be sha amanfo ama ometimi aye ne ye na akokwa document you media man woda. What 2030 to 20 year who say Ghana about 6 billion of your gold ejrai.
Yeah.
Omuchi film. Oko country bi te say India. Omo gold so mo ton Ghana no. Obekom no na bi 4.9 billion, obeba Ghana na 3.6 billion, 1.3 billion ajira. Oko country bi te say UAE. Gold so to free Ghana no 5.8 billion. Oba ebu kuma 4.3 billion, 1.5 billion ajira. Oko Switzerland about some toy 1 year 6.9 billion. Obeko Ghana the book 3.3 billion, about 3.6 billion. Ayra. You can abonate 6 billion. They be amekase research we nyin FM na ye. A United Nations Conference on Trade and Development and the Bank of Ghana and a say investigation we. Now what one investigation, then I article no. O send a link around some kind bibi wo. Akwa yen kind bibi. O say Omubusa papa is that Mr. Opayamo no ye PMMC na be ye gold board no ye boss so can be say Mr. Opayamo the current boss of the PMMC blames smuggling by foreigners. There are a lot of foreigners who are not supposed to be part of the small scale sector when they come to gold, but we are told many of them have found themselves right in the towns where we are doing mining. Okwa gold board na dey back when so my in recent past so much chidden India for na was system no moto gold no illegally no meboa so akokwa we saw this problem in 2016 on inti akokwa na santa midwa no so if this problem was there in 2016 and I take here and saying 2025 right almost 9 years to correct the wrongs. Now, Kwamo Sane Treasurer of the Association of Gold Exporters, Dr. Ebu Grant Kasa will say, blame the previous board of PMC for issuing the loss of revenue from gold exports. We know that through PMMC, a lot of people have exported gold without repatriating back the proceeds. A lot of Indians back then were exporting a lot of gold through PMMC without returning the proceeds. I definitely blame the previous manager of PMMC. They created all this loophole that people are taking advantage of. Or we not say. The Bank of Ghana suspended the PMC from direct shipping gold out of the country after it was discovered in 2016 that the body was unable to trace documents surrounding over $2.3 billion in gold exports. This resulted in failure to repatriate at least 80% of foreign currency earned through export back to the country.
Yeah.
80%. It's not a gold na ye two Ghana two gold bebre no. Na man for Jamaso cotton illegally.
Yeah.
Abro yeah your man na ye two gold no. Ya say yan sa the machine above metutu tokro ni enya bibia wo.
Right.
Na kwa president mama ka bibia trend pan wo say. Omo ya smuggling wa wo ba be ye whistleblower no ye be ma 10%. Akwa ye good. You know why it's good? Okwa what ya ubie phone na dey abrante bia na ne kasa yo so excavator as say say wonya dey Saturday bia dey we say ko ye whistleblower.
Right.
Obenya kakra. Okwa na me suggest say we no e me abuse no. Let's be fair. Nipa ne beka na yenya bibi nko a yemfa ne sika nya den ema no. It will incentivize people to come and talk about these things. I request a gold smuggling. Now send madam for immigration officer or say most of Koko no much. I am for a catcher community members in a catcher room. So because the Galamseys live in community, because they do the distractions in the community, a man from no illegal activities. The people see them. But I hope I may become misro. And I hope another leg of this is that we need security agencies to protect them.
Yeah.
I hope I will be there. Oh, because police, wait a minute, I'm telling you, become which you. Police for no so an agencies and security no mobile say adwuma in the whistleblower no so no da
sure
because akokwa reprisal attacks wo ho because akwa no betimi akọ court na court akwete no discharge no won na ebetena kuro nim obetimi terrorize wo the police for no mo ma no na ana akokwa na ma person o kire wan 10% na obi so ntiate nye tie ne say se nipa na ye kire no ni gold na ye worth 1 million na obenya 10% which is worth 100,000
yeah.
How could you mean a crime as whistleblower?
You say Eduma na aba no.
It's where Eduma.
It's a community na ati ma see Eduma ni wo no. Eduma na aba.
To kote galamsey fo no. Ba ye no tactfully. Cause ango fo no mutirim odin. Oman fa bibia ma utirim. Na kokwa a good thing. The only thing e be ne say ye be sere wo. They should stick to this. Now kokwa my few commentary on this. I'm at the task force na be say oh I don't know matter task for police for no. My explanation from some agency officers that task force no a combination of police officers. Right. Military officers, immigration officers, any ala wo you for ne kakra. So no ala wo you for no. We water gas no kakra. And I hope it's good because it me ye go God be ye year. I have a feeling be within me say you see kasem no e be ye. Right. I have just a feeling within me say e be ye.
What's $5 billion?
And I go this is from January to May, me boy.
So you might 1 year between 15 to $20 billion is possible.
Yes, and I go me man chado ba o sha me kaisa ma ma sana I think May yeah. And according to the half of the year kura June. Na say yeah they say year ni 2. So January to June, July to December. To them man say 10 billion.
10 billion. Now the within 3 years.
I am a from my mind saying.
Omo my 3 billion.
And no mutu ana saying. So mutu ana 5.
Give me ati omo sika kra dia ma omo ne sa restrictions no ne nyina kra ye ho ato.
Ana kokwa oman no amanfo de adwiri ma chewu. Na ma o kan na ma dwan ba ho.
Ye were resources.
So the first 6 months no, ye nya 5 billion.
Yeah.
So meaning that in a year we can get 10 billion.
So in 2 years we have about 20 billion. Ye me see e ho. Ye ka ye de ani ade no. Ye dimi ntua mfiri ho.
And this is dollars.
Dollars or $1 billion. We are not talking about
now what the former bosses of PMMC no. Then based on your candy, I say a
yeah.
They need to answer to us.
Yeah.
Why these lapses were in the system?
They will tell you smuggling and they couldn't stop it. And one on Bekacho, they've been on Bekacho. Since Kanobeka's on fire, the Obeka was here smuggling, and this government is stopping the smuggling into your into Nhyira. Now, President of the Republic, when you report, former president, when you report say smuggling, you lose see, you go Dubai, any other no, you know, only. And so,
now I didn't when I was analyzing that. My dream,
Marsha didn't know
10 billion 1 year.
A year. You got for 3 years, 3 billion. So imagine if you have all these resources, ne intimi survive. When you yet here, near Cassia, what the bit me a man or mine a year, and your business about man for 1 year.
Well, why? Okay, crown. So Switzerland and Kwande and I quantify 3.6. So,
oh, yeah.
I won't quan. And you know what is that? They can add the angle by say. Even the taxes and costs for 2 bit to Yama Bino. We have lost Sikabota and Ankasa. Taxes don't say I assign.
You hold the Johnny by the way we are.
I'll call time to do better. Ghana, so no one how can.
I told you I don't lose you.
I was all the 10 million and I won't be presented to cram me.
You will tell how yet is a castle.
Now, what imagine set to be a yen may be. And nobody will be 100 million back, will be 50 million back, will be way back. Now, leakages in Ecclesia. Or my the internet said, my blue Johnny too kind. No conversation. Now, what you see, what brought minor resources were high between the IE. I general next year money ye June. But we say no yan can say profit on ya can say 10 billion na ton na foreign exchange ya bon man ma be so sikam and then profit also. That's what they don't understand. Say go na ya ton na ya ton in faso to so. Enti Ghana benya profit. No say betu am say toto. Say na obi enu odi dwaboka. Ghana sika. Akokwa kotom 5 kg no. Oton 70 na koton 72. Say wanya sika. Yes revenue. Revenue. Ya ban sika. Revenue. Revenue. So it means that we are maximizing the revenue. That's the basic understanding of it. And if you have says $1 billion, it's 10 billion. So first, you have 3 billion. You have revenue of let's say 2 billion or so. So maybe you have 3 billion. So 1 billion, I can still revenue. Yeah. And it's sanity.
Eugene Osei-Tutu, it has no pay. Eugene Osei-Tutu, the fact checker, and what you have for and 70 muno. Jeff Abwaje, Wadaruma.